Hello guys, this is Rahul and welcome to the Upcycling Multiverse. Today we'll try to make a helmet stand just like this. So using PVC conduits. So I'm planning to make a stand for 4 of my helmets. So we'll be using this conduits like this, PVC conduits, or you can use PVC pipes. Let's take some measurement with the helmets, the length, the width and the height. And you will need some joints like the T-joint, the bends, the elbows and so on. So all these will be used to connect the different pipes that we are gonna cut according to the measurements. Let's get started. So here is a pipe. Now let's cut the pipe one by one and with the correct dimensions that we need. So there goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow. And yeah, so we need quite a lot of this. So now let's start assembling everything. So first we'll try to make the height part where we'll have just like 2 layers. Okay, so we'll need one T inserted between 2 pipes like that. So we'll do the same with all the first black pipes. Yeah, and we have got 4 of those. Now it's time to make the base where we'll be keeping the helmet. So mainly 2 of them, and here you'll need 2 T's and at the end another small piece of pipe. Okay, and we will need 4 of those too. Okay, so one by one we are making it. And it's done. Now, here I had done a mistake. So actually I had planned for making 2 helmets, but I had made the cuts for just one helmet. So what I'll do is I'll take a connector, or you can use another T which will give it more strength, but I was not having much of the T, so I am using a connector from the end of the pipe. Okay, so and I'll connect the other 2 and make it long enough. But for the next layer, what I'll do is I'll take the straight pipes without any connections. So adding connections will compromise the stability. So at least for one layer I'll be using the so this is how it looks, and there goes another one at the end. So we have got one layer here. Similarly we have to make another layer too, and we will join it to the legs. So now let's just have a quick check using one of my helmets. Fits perfectly there. If you have problems, you can decrease the width of these 2 legs. Okay, so time to make the other one, the second layer. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so here comes the second layer, and now let's assemble everything with the legs one by one. So there you have it. This is the complete product after installing the legs. You can see it's neatly done. Only problem is with the colors of the pipe that I got. Yeah, and it's pretty stern. And let's keep the helmets, and here you can see I have 4 of those. I have my bungee cords there, 2 helmets on the top, 2 helmets on the bottom, and it fits perfectly there. Thanks for watching guys. Do hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much. Bye.